Hey everybody, welcome back to Cottonwood Hill Farms. So today we've got a little bit of vehicle maintenance is what we're doing. Gina's got this 2015 Dodge Durango is what she drives, and this thing needs brakes. I don't know if I'm supposed to be proud of this or not. I think I am. I'm gonna go with yes. But this car, this is my third Hemi that I've owned personally. I had a 2005 half-ton Dodge truck that was I had a lift on it. It was a pretty cool truck, but it had the Hemi in it. That was a pretty good truck. I think I got 100,000 miles out of that, and then I sold it. Didn't have any issues with it. I had a 2010 half-ton that was my service truck at the time. That truck went through a hailstorm. The hail damage on it was like $11,000, and then it was part of the buyback when Dodge or Daimler Chrysler, whatever. Or no, it was Fiat Chrysler lied about the recalls or something crazy like that. And all that was wrong with it was the rear axle pinion nut, which is like a $50 piece. It needed replaced. I think it was undersized or something. Anyway, long story short, they ended up buying it back from me for like 10 or 12 grand. So I think I paid 24 for the truck. In between the hail damage and the buyback, I got 22,000 out of the truck. And I put 127,000 miles on it, so that truck didn't owe me anything. When I did get rid of it, it did have like a tick. I think it had a broken lifter spring or something. Anyway, or valve spring. I think it was a broken valve spring. So I did pretty well with that truck too. And then this Durango we bought brand new in 15, at the end of 15, she's got 170,000 miles on this car, and the only thing that's ever been done to it is the water pump. And that was a recall. They had to replace the water pump on it. But other than that, I've never done the brakes. That's absolutely amazing. We've put tires on it, obviously, but never even done the brakes. So 170,000 miles, and I'm finally doing the brakes. And even at that, the rear brakes are the only ones that are thin. The front brakes are actually really good, which is crazy because usually it's the opposite. So anyway, long story short, we're putting rear brakes, pads, and rotors on this. So I've got the, I haven't done brakes in quite a while, but I did not know on these rotors that they make a solid rotor. That's kind of crazy, but anyway, that's what we got. So I got some rotors here, and I got some brake pads here too. So we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. This shouldn't take too long. These are really easy to put on. You just pop the tires off, pull the calipers off, and then there's a little ring that you got to pop off that holds the rotor on. Right here. See this point right here? This is a jack. I want that to hit. So start pumping it up. Slowly. Okay. Oh, hold on. There you go. Okay. All right. Stop.
He's crazy sometimes. I'm afraid it's gonna hurt me.
Just roll it. No. Yeah, there you go. Now roll it. Roll it over on the log, lean it on the log splitter. So on the caliper, there's a little plug back here. You got to pop that plug out. And I believe it's a 7.
7.
There we go.
Ooh.
Little plug. You got to pull that out, and then you take your hex drive.
What's that? What's that other thing that says 2H30? 2H30.
So look. Take this off.
Take that off. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Do we have to do this on both sides? Yep. Both sides? Man, what's wrong? Did you try doing the bottom? You couldn't know that from the beginning.
Those are pretty thin. So after I got the caliper off here, then back behind here there's two bolts. Looks like they're 18 millimeter. You got to pull off to get the rest of this frame off for the caliper. And then the next thing, there's a little rubber ring right here that kind of holds this rotor on. You got to get under there and pick it out.
Oh, I see.
You have to reuse that so I wouldn't damage it.
Why are you using that one instead of that one? Still a little on, but it still wiggles. Still wiggles. There. Can I do it?
I'm going to take a little bit of emery cloth. This is the e-brake shoe. And I'm just going to kind of clean this up just a little bit.
Can I?
So you're just going to take it like this.
Oh, like sandpaper?
You don't need to do a lot. You're just kind of... So as you can see, it was time. She needed some brakes.
That is way thicker. Here.
Grab that. Where's that?
Yes. It's way thicker. As you can see, it's way thicker.
Hey, grab that.
So that's useless. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment our videos.
So I'm gonna just take a wire brush and kind of clean this up just a little bit, so it's hopefully it moves a little bit smoother.
I'll try.
So this is called the caliper cylinder, and you gotta squeeze that back in.
Those old ones.
Throw them away.
Right now? Okay.
Okay, then I need those plugs. Remember the plastic plugs?
That's them?
Yep, perfect.
Can I do it?
Yeah. So they go back in these holes right there,
Okay.
and the rubber one down below.
So the one right here?
I can't see. It looks just like this one right here, except it's down.
Oh, so it's just, oh, that's not a hole.
Nope,
That's
that's it.
another
That's
hole.
nope, down below. Should
Oh,
be
here. I see
should be down.
it. I see. It's right. Can't get it. My legs are here. We've been down too much.
All right, now can you get the wheel?
Yeah.
That's it. This side is done.
Here. Put it back in. I'll get this back.
Nope, top. There you go. Those are pads.
Sorry.
Go on. Same thing I did over there.
Yeah.
Clean up inside here, inside there, inside there, inside there.
Okay. Do you need these yet? Can you tell me why the claws are on one side? It doesn't that much. Okay, we got two things. It's way thicker than this.
The caliper. Tighten the caliper back up.
Wait, that. Oh, I see it. What are these plugs for anyways? I got the bottom one.
Oh, here.
There. I got both. That all done? Okay, all we have to do is get the wheel back on. We're doing good here.
All right.
Time to get the wheel back
We'll
on.
get the wheel.
I got it. Can you put it on? Bye guys, I have to go to basketball, so I don't know when I'll see you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. You have to click that like button. You have to subscribe. Now, else.
I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but when I had this jacked up, I threw a jack stand under it, so I wasn't just using this jack. And I'm glad I did, because right when we were finishing up, I went to jack it up one more time. I heard a pop, and I looked down, and my old Harbor Freight Special took a crap on me. That popped out, and it started leaking oil when I pulled it away. Yeah. I'm always, I like their stuff for the most part, but you got to be careful with it. Well, anyway, that's I got that done. That was, I think it took me 30 minutes on the passenger side and about 16 minutes on the driver's side after I figured it out, which is about right. But that, it needed that. The rear brakes were getting pretty rough, so I'm glad I got that done. Very easy. But like I said, all in all, this Durango, we're pretty happy with it. Like I said, 170,000 miles. We haven't even tuned it up. We are planning on changing plugs and giving it a tune up and that kind of stuff, obviously. And other than that, I think we change the oil every, I think it's every 4,000 miles or something like that. And we use a synthetic with that Lucas additive, like I've talked about before. But it's a pretty good vehicle. Like I said, these Hemi engines, I've had good luck with them. I don't know that I would buy another one, but the ones I have had, I think I've had really good luck with. The one thing I don't like about this car is all the electronics. It's a 2015, so it's newer. My trucks are older. I like knobs. This has the screen and the computer and all that crap. I don't like that. I like knobs. I like being able to turn stuff. And I think that I've heard that computer in the dash, the radio, climate control, all that stuff, it's like $3 or $4 grand just for the part, not even installed, just for the part, which is crazy. So that's why I don't like this stuff. I like the cheap, easy stuff to fix. So anyway, that I don't know, maybe you guys learned something, maybe you didn't, but when I was looking on YouTube, I didn't see too many videos on how to change the rear brakes on these. A lot of front brakes, but not the rear brakes. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along. Like always, we appreciate it. Thanks for supporting the channel, and you guys take care. We will see you in the next one.